several years ago, and now they're enjoying political tranquility because of having one strong party in the name of the Communist Party of China. We want to emulate them. We want Kenya to have strong political parties, and that is why we are urging our sister parties within the Kenya Kwanza family to consider folding their parties. And these are an ongoing conversation that we are having with them. And that is one of the reasons why we postponed our elections to April, to allow our brothers fold up their parties so that they can come and participate in our elections. So I want to urge members of the UDA party to continue with the rigorous registration of members and registration of candidates ahead of the 2024 grassroots general elections. I want to report here to the membership of the UDA party that yesterday we had a fruitful engagement with the Communist Party of China, led by His Excellency Mao. And we had agreed yesterday that we are going to have areas of collaboration with the Communist Party of China. One is that the Communist Party of China is going to help us build capacity, is going to help us enhance expertise within our secretariat. As you all know, we are going to conduct the first ever digital elections since we got our independence. And as you all know, technology is an emerging issue. We have emerging technological trends, and we need a lot of capacity building from our Chinese brothers, and they have committed that they are going to build capacity in our secretariat. In January, part of our secretariat will be traveling to China on an exchange program just to ensure that we build enough capacity so that we can be able to conduct the grassroots elections in a manner that is free, fair, accountable, and transparent.